The moving truck had barely pulled away when Elena Ramirez planted her first rose. It wasn't just a garden, it was a memory. Each flower she placed into the soil reminded her of her late mother, who taught her that no matter how hard life becomes, you grow something beautiful anyway. Bright marigolds lined the walkway. Lavender rested near the porch. A small wooden sign read, "Hope lives here." 3 days later, everything was gone. Elena came home from work and froze. The soil was torn apart. Roots lay exposed like broken promises. Her roses were snapped in half. Standing near the curb was Mr. Thompson, an HOA board member holding a clipboard. "Your garden violates community standards," he said flatly. "Too colorful. Not approved." Elena's voice trembled. "You could have knocked on my door." "We maintain property value," he replied, walking away as if he had done her a favor. That night, Elena didn't cry. She researched. What Mr. Thompson didn't know was that Elena wasn't just a quiet new neighbor. She was an environmental attorney specializing in property rights and HOA overreach. By morning, she had photos, security footage, and a copy of the state landscaping protection laws. 2 weeks later, the entire neighborhood received a notice. The HOA had been illegally entering properties and enforcing rules that didn't exist in their own bylaws. Fines were reversed. Board members were investigated. Mr. Thompson resigned before the emergency meeting even ended. And in the center of it all stood Elena. By spring, her garden bloomed again, bigger, brighter, protected by law. Neighbors who once stayed silent began planting their own flowers too. Because sometimes when someone tries to cut down your roots, they forget. Some people grow back stronger. And this time, the whole neighborhood learned that beauty isn't a violation, but abuse of power is.